Wake up! Big day morning.
It's 10 o'clock, yeah, it's 6:30. I've been through a lot. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you feeling. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? I'm so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. I'm not the girl I was or used to be. I might be better. Turn up the music. Feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about damn time. Turn up the music. Let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump beat up. My Balenciennes trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck, way too much. Eat like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel. I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. I'm not the girl I was or used to be. Might be better. Turn up the music. Turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about damn time. Let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about damn time. Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. It's about damn time. Let's play.
Big money minute. Let's see if we can send Nathan into the weekend with an extra $1,000. Good morning. Happy Friday, Nathan.
Good morning, guys. How are you guys?
We're good. Any fun?
Just my kids' activities all weekend long.
All weekend. Running around. Topic right now. What's the meanest thing one of your kids ever said to you?
Oh, I don't know.
Nothing? Where to begin? Nothing.
It's like every day, something new.
Yeah, it's pretty much everything.
Oh, man.
Well, Nathan, welcome to the Big Money Minute, sir. 10 questions, a minute on the clock. If you answer them correctly in the minute, we're going to give you $1,000. You ready?
Heck is a freaking okay.
The Count is a puppet character on what kids' show?
Sesame Street,
In school, what does GPA stand for?
grade point average,
Coit Tower can be found in which Bay Area city?
San Francisco,
A full roll of quarters is equal to how much money? Company.
Marvel,
What shoe company signed Michael Jordan in the 80s?
Nike,
Scalene and equilateral are types of what?
triangles,
True or false? The Mississippi is the longest river in the U.S.
true,
If one pie gives you 5 slices, how many?
8,
Tracy Ellis Ross played Rainbow Johnson on what TV show? Tracy Ellis Ross. After Modern Family. 3 on ABC. 2, 1.
I didn't know that one.
You were close, Nathan. You were close. You did well. Let's run through them. The Count, of course, is on Sesame Street. GPA is Great Point Average Coit Tower in San Francisco. A full roll of quarters is actually $10 in this city of San Francisco. And had to always go get the stupid meters. Thank you for the credit cards now. Dr. Marvel, Nike is Michael Jordan, triangles. Missouri is actually the longest river in the United States, not the Mississippi. 8 times 5 is 40, and Blackish was the show we were looking for. Oh. We hope you and the fam have a great weekend.
Thank you, guys.
All right, take care. Coming back in 15 minutes. Before that, though, we're talking the meanest said to you. We know kids are brutally honest. Yeah, you're reading these text messages coming through.
This is, you guys make me want to have these things.
These things?
Yeah, I definitely don't want them after all I've read.
I mean, they're truthful. Kids are truthful. Sometimes that's good. Other times, no. Please, don't say that. Anyway, we'll get to the text and calls as soon as we get back. Hang on.
The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 now, that's your chance to experience the magic. Happy Hauntings are returning to both Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the Spell-a-Brain.
To see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per day Disneyland Resort tickets.
Subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
If someone offered you a free dinner, would you take it? What about free sunglasses?
Definitely.
Okay, how about a free checking account?
Free checking? Yeah, sure.
Good, because Star One Credit Union is offering free checking.
Well, what about the free sunglasses?
That was just an example.
Free dinner?
Well, what if I offered you free dinner?
Are you asking me out?
Do you want me to?
Get free checking from Star One. Go to star1.org. Come get the star treatment.
My Sleepro mattress is my oasis, especially when binge watching my favorite show. And by binge, I mean half an episode, because it's a great mattress.
Receive free sheets, pillows, and a mattress protector with a qualifying mattress purchase at Mancini Sleep World. Visit sleepworld.com for details.
Are you ready for your palm reading, my dear?
Yeah, let's do this.
I that you crave something.
More reliable.
Right. You know you deserve better.
Carrier.
You're who now?
My big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. Now I get unlimited with 5G for $30 per month on the most reliable 5G network.
Let's talk about your aura. It's so...
And get this, they can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill over T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon.
Wow, that's actually really impressive.
Yep, but...
It's coming.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Switch today. Xfinity Internet required price. 5G pricing plans with top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Most reliable based on root metrics. US report. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Boost your morning and save on coffee at Whole Foods Market. Enjoy 20% off all packaged coffee through September 20th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members extra 10%. Shop now, in-store or online. Terms apply.
Okay. Locals are in on. Wait, that place with the square pizzas? The spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so. With the ranch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash.
Moments like watching my grandson steal second mean a lot to me, but after being diagnosed with metastatic
Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase inhibitor is for postmenopausal women or for men with HR-positive HER2-negative NBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood
with flex mode and multi-window view to use up to 3 apps at the same time? With Galaxy Z Fold 4, do more with ease and make multitasking a breeze. Available now at Samsung.com.
Waking up? You better wake up. With Benny,
I will give them a
That ain't gonna last very long.
Nikki, and Greg.
I am thrifty.
Hey, mornings.
Tell me lies, we can argue, we can fight. Yeah, we did it before, but we'll do it tonight. Yeah, that fro black boy with the gold teeth, the dark skin looking at me like you know me. I wonder if you got the G or the B. Let me find out and see coming over to me. Yeah. These days are way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days are way too long, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but I want. You know it's hard to define in these times, but I got nothing but love on my mind. I need a baby while I'm in my prime. Need an adversary to my down and weary. Like, tell me that's life when I'm stressing at night. Be like, you'll be okay and everything's alright. Let me in nothing cause I'm not wanting anything but your love in your body and a little bit of your brain. These days are way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days are way too long, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but I want someone to love me. I need someone who needs me, 'cause it don't feel right when it's late at night. It's just me and my dreams, so I want someone to love. That's what I really want. Someone to love me. I need things me. 'Cause it don't feel right when it's late at night. It's just me and my dreams, so I want someone to love. That's what I really want.
Is on.
We're talking the meanest thing a child has said to you. So, earlier this week, a video went viral of this really cute boy. It's his first day of school.
Adorable.
To greet him, and this is what he says.
Terrible sandwich.
Thanks for letting me know.
I like that he doubled down, though.
Yeah, terrible sandwich. And we now know what the sandwich was. Shout out to our loyal listener, Cupcake Debbie. So she saw it on the news last night. So the mom wanted to make him a PB&J.
Mm-hmm.
She ran out of peanut butter, so she made a jelly and butter sandwich.
Gross. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's not fine.
At a restaurant, a lot of times you get the butter toast and the jam's on the table.
Yeah.
Problem was the butter was rancid. It was so bad, so and the mom tried a bite of it because he brought it home, and yeah,
It
she's
was a really terrible sandwich. What's a really,
Okay,
really
I'm
terrible
sorry.
sandwich?
If you're sending your child
yeah.
off to his first day of school ever with a butter and a jelly sandwich, then you deserve what he said to you.